In this video, I am going to discuss about kinetic energy and potential energy, and kinetic energy mathematical formula and potential energy mathematical formula. So first we are going to discuss about kinetic energy. Let us take an example. Take a table. Just place a brick on the table. Take a metal marble, and place this metal ball near the brick so that just it touches the brick. Next, take another example. Take a table, place a brick on the table, take a metal ball. Instead of placing it near the brick, just apply some force. Let us observe two different cases. So in case 1, the metal ball is not doing any work on the brick, but in case 2, the metal ball is doing some work on the brick so that brick displaces to some distance. How this metal ball displaces this brick? In the case 1, it does not have any velocity or any motion. In case 2, it has some motion. It has ability to do some work on the brick. So what is kinetic energy? The energy possessed by a body by virtue of its motion. In case 2, the metal ball has a motion. It has ability to do some work on the brick. Let us define mathematical formula of kinetic energy. This metal ball applies some force on the brick. That force is F, and this brick displaces to some distance, which is S. Mass of the brick is M. Work done by this metal ball on the brick is equal to force into displacement. Work done is nothing but force into displacement. Let us take it as equation 1. How much force it is applied on the brick? Let us assume the acceleration of this body is A acceleration. Then according to second law, force is equals to mass into acceleration. Force is equals to mass into acceleration. I am taking the initial velocity of this object as u and final velocity of the object as v. Then initial velocity u and final velocity v, acceleration a and displacement s. So from equation of motion, that is v square minus u square is equals to 2as. By rearranging this equation, we get s is equals to v square minus u square by 2a, equation 3. From equations 1, 2 and 3, we get w is equals to ma into v square minus u square by 2a. Get cancelled. The equation becomes half m v square minus u square. And this work done is equals to kinetic energy. What is kinetic energy of the body? Is equals to the work done on it. So kinetic energy is equals to half m v square minus u square. Now initial velocity is 0. If the object is at rest, then its kinetic energy, change in the kinetic energy, is equals to half m v square. Now potential energy. Take an example of bow and arrow. Now without pulling it back, just leave it. The arrow falls down. Now take an arrow and bow. Now pull the back and release. So the shape of the bow changes so that it can do some work on the arrow. can do some work on the arrow. So potential energy is defined as the energy possessed by an object because of its shape or position. So if shape changes, it gets some potential energy, or position changes, it gets some energy. So this is an example of change of shape. Now let us discuss about change in the position. Potential energy due to height, that is gravitational potential energy. So what is gravitational potential energy at a point? So the gravitational potential energy of an object at a point above the ground is defined as work done in raising it from the ground to that point against gravity. Let us take an object on the ground. I want to raise this object to certain height against the gravity. So I'm raising it against the gravity. So I did some work in raising it from ground to some height. So what is work done? Force into displacement. Work done is equals to force into displacement. Now, how much force I should apply on this ball? What is the minimum force? Let us take a box. The gravitational force acting on this box is equals to its weight. So what is weight? mg, mass into gravity. So let us assume the mass of this ball is m. So the acceleration due to gravity is g. Then force is equals to mg. And displacement, how much displacement? It is raised to a height h, which is displacement. So work done is equals to mgh. This work done is stored as potential energy on this object, and potential energy of the object is equals to mgh, where m is mass, g is acceleration due to gravity, and h is height from the ground.